Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a BoxyCharm video. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my January box. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription that you pay $25 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size products. I think it's pretty worth it because just the value of it all is way more than $25. And you get to discover some products that you never even thought of buying, and you might end up really liking it. If you guys want to see what I got in my BoxyCharm this month, then keep on watching. So this month's theme for BoxyCharm is breaking the ice. And the first product that I got is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this product I'm not gonna do on camera just because it's a skincare product. This Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid-rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. And it's $22. So the next product I got in the box is from Ace Beauty, and it's its Garlic Dust palette. So this is what it looks like. And it has a mirror. So this palette is $34.99. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look with this palette. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to use is Lotus. The next shade I'm gonna use is Bahamas. The next shade I'm going to use is Sangria. The next shade I'm going to use is Maui. So I'm not getting a lot of pigment with this shadow, so I'm just gonna wet my brush to see if that works. I'm just gonna try my finger. Okay, you see the finger? It works better. Hello. I'm gonna use again the shade Lotus. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my skin and put my foundation on. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, so the next product is this concealer by Pretty Vulgar. It is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. And this retails for $25. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set my face and my under eyes. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Next thing I got in the box is this Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo by Wander Beauty. So it's a blush and a bronzer. And this is what it looks like. And it has a mirror. And this retails for $36. Now this is a bronzer and this is the blush, but the bronzer looks too light to be a bronzer. And it has like a sheen to it, so I don't know if maybe I could use this as a highlighter. I'm just gonna see how this looks. I'm gonna try it out a little bit. If not, I won't use it as a bronzer. Okay, so I guess it's showing up. Yeah, so I'm gonna just keep using it as a bronzer then. Now I'm gonna use the blush. Okay, so I just highlighted my face and my inner corners and my brow bone. So, and I also put eyeliner on. Now I'm just gonna finish off the eyes with the eyeshadow, Bahamas shade. I'm gonna use the Sangria. And I'm gonna use the Lotus. So I just put my lipstick on and I set my eyebrows and I put my setting spray. So now the last thing in the box is this mascara, and it's from Petite and Pretty, and is a fully feathered volumizing mascara, and it retails for $16. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know if you guys like it. So yeah, the products, I really like them. I'm really impressed by them, especially the bronzer one, the dual blush and bronzer duo by Wander Beauty. This really fooled me because it had like a sheen on the top, but once you like started using it, it just got like a little darker. And I actually really like it. It went on really smooth, and the blush as well, I really liked it. And the eyeshadows, I liked it too. It was really nice. The metallic shade, it worked better when I used my finger. And the concealer was really nice as well. It was a medium coverage, so I just built it up a little bit, but I ended up really liking it too. It was very lightweight, and I think it would be great if you want to use it as like a everyday concealer or with like the no makeup days. I think it was really nice. Mascara, I actually really liked it as well. Like my lashes, I actually like how it looked. It looks very like voluminous and they look nice and full. Skincare product, I'm just gonna use this off camera. So I just have to keep using this product. It is a skincare product, so you kind of have to keep using it to see if like you like it. So this, if you guys want to know anything about it maybe in the future, just let me know in the comments down below. The overall value of all the products, it was 5 products, was $140. So that's really awesome because I actually liked all the products. Sometimes there are some hits or misses, and you know, maybe you end up not liking one of the products, but it's still even worth it just because of the price that you're paying for every month, which is $25. But in this case, it was a win-win because I actually liked all the products, and for $140 value, that's awesome. So if you guys liked how this turned out and you guys want to keep seeing more BoxyCharm videos, just let me know in the comments down below. And let me know also what other products maybe you guys got, because everyone gets different products as well. And let me know if you also like that bronzer, because I really wasn't shocked with the bronzer. So guys, thank you again, and hopefully I see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.